Maybe we could make some money. Well, I'm just here having a look at a Oceanus 473 for Kevin in Auckland, New Zealand, and it's a pretty little bay here. I haven't been here before, so it's just down from Nidri. I can't remember what the place is called. The fellow did tell me. There's this old Irish bloke who is stealing a dinghy, I think, to go and have a look. Beautiful little spot though, and the boat must be out there somewhere. It's on a swing mooring apparently. And I'm going down here to get on the dinghy because it's flooded back there. An interesting bay.
Sorry? Okay.
Just do a quick, just a spin around it. Well, it's a bleak cold morning, just 22 degrees, and the aftermath doesn't look so bad actually. This boat just over here, they're diving underneath at the moment to I think check out the damage or maybe untangle something. But it seems that they've already untangled the other boats. So that one over there was tangled with a couple of others, and then just here there were 3 boats as well, all tangled up. But kind of looks okay. This is the Aussie couple. You can probably see the canvas hanging over the side there. That's all tangled up around the prop, apparently. Ah. But she's wet today. I'm not sure whether I'm going to get the gantry on today because the forecast is for, I've just had a look and it's for rain all day. Bugger. Here we go, look at this, the gantry's being fitted. You're well known around here. Everybody talks about stainless fill.
Yes, I know.
So this is where the carnage happened last night, over in this bay. A lot of the boats have already left, so it was even busier than this last night. So you can imagine there's not much room for error, and the boats that slipped anchor obviously caused some havoc. And that boat that you can see right in the middle there is the one that I helped last night after they had a canvas cover wrapped around their prop, and then they ended up on the point. Went past me at about 5 knots. It was just crazy. And as I mentioned, they recorded 55 knots here at this marina here. So yeah, it was pretty full on. But anyway, it's nice and quiet now. A little bit of rain, but other than that, it's very still. And having the gantry fitted, which is looking good. There we go. How's that looking good? Does it work? A busy little pontoon. I'll just show you where this boat
Just wait for these guys, they're all heading off now.
ended up. So just on the other side of that boat there is where the Aussie couple's boat ended up. They were so lucky that they didn't just smash into those rocks there, but they just cleared the point, and then the anchor grabbed, and then they were dragged into the shore there, and so they were very, very, very lucky. It's them there.
Did you find your nut?
I did, thank you. So I bought 2. Thought I bought it by a spare.
This is with the ring on underneath. You want to change it? Yeah, we could change it.
Here we go, job done. Looking good. Hello, hello.
He's having a photo shoot.
Oh, look at that. That's, wow. I haven't seen a cat do that before. Look at it. It's like a,
Oh,
like a
yeah.
human.
Yeah. he is. He's.
That's what I do when I get a head scratch.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh,
Good lad,
yeah.
Georgie boy. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, did he stop? When you stop, his hand
Yeah,
sort of
I
like
can see
goes
that.
out. That's what he. what he does when he wants. When he wants.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, he's a good lad. He's getting
Sorry,
on. He's getting on.
that's it.